Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Soarfly Model R1 wireless ratchet. Not that ratchets have wires, but let's open this up, see everything that we get inside. I love that it comes with a case. Anything that comes in a case just like screams quality to me. This is your instruction manual, but this is pretty easy to operate. So that is your wrench. Absolutely awesome. So it comes with not only one, but it comes with two batteries. How awesome is that? So let's get one of these batteries up and charging. It comes with a charger as well, which is great. And then you're plugging in right here in front of that. So pretty awesome. And then you have the ability to see how much of a charge you have in that battery by just pushing that button right there. So it gives you a general idea. And then your battery just goes in like this and in. And look at that. You can feel the torque in it. That's pretty awesome. And then it comes with a bunch of sockets, which is really great because you keep most of the more common ones right here with you. So you have your 15, 13, 10. That's super valuable. The 10mm. Let's not lose that. Comes with a little extension piece. And then it comes with your 17, 11, 14. So a lot of like very common 12, a lot of very common sockets. So it has your reducer. So this is 3/8, and then that reducer goes down to 1/4. So you got that. And again, you can use that as an extension. Put that piece on there. Great little tool. So let's go try it out and see how it works. And stay tuned. All right, so let's get this going. And it's great like on some easy to get to bolts, you know, easy on, easy off, even if you have like nice thick winter gloves on like I do. And if you have a hard to reach area, I think down here the extension works great, so you can get that loosened up or you can tighten it up. And you can control the speed on it as well, so you can go nice and slow so you don't over torque any of these bolts. So, but yeah, absolutely awesome. And even if you got something that's a little rusted, like over here, it's got enough torque to get that undone. So, very useful. Anyway, and even works great on these little stubborn battery terminals. So if you had to change a battery out, and then again, nice and slow and controlled, so you don't over torque that. But yeah, absolutely great. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and be safe out there.